welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have my Macys Beauty Box for the month of July. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open it. But for those of you who don't know what Macys Beauty Box is, it's pretty simple. It's actually one of my favorite boxes along with my Test Tube Beauty Box, which by the way is coming in I think it's gonna be in the mail today. So stay tuned for that video. I will be uploading that very soon. I'm super excited. One of my favorite boxes along with Macys. And the reason I like these two boxes is because they have nice name brand products. Now Macys is trial size, which it's $15 a month, but I like it because it's high-end quality products that I get to test out without having to pay full-size prices. So I found some really nice winners in these boxes. So let's go ahead, and I will leave all the information in the description box down below if you'd like to sign up for it yourself. You can cancel it at any time. And yeah, all the information will be in the description box down below. So let's go ahead and we're gonna open it. Now they give you 5 or 6 deluxe sample size products along with a beauty bag. And I'm super happy with the beauty bag this month. I will definitely get a lot of use out of these. I like these bags. They're plastic. You can wash them, especially in my bathroom. I have a lot of hair products and things get on it. So I love this to put in my bathroom and keep my stuff nice and clean, and then you can just wash this off. And it's very summery too. So definitely a summer theme going on here. And everything comes wrapped in a nice pink paper like this right here. So every month they have a theme, and this month's theme is, well, it goes completely great with the box or the bag. It's called Fun in the Sun. So it's the way everything comes bundled, and they also included a little lipstick. So I didn't put any lipstick on today, so we're gonna start off with this lipstick right here, and this is called Rouge Voluptueux Shine In Stick Lipstick. Shine all day long. Not really. This long-lasting color stays in place for up to 8 hours of outdoor fun, keeping your lips perfectly hydrated with hyaluronic acid. And the retail price of this is $38. And this is a beautiful red lipstick, I think. Now, this is just so cute. You could stick this in your purse. I mean, you can see how big it is compared to my finger right there. So let's go ahead and see how this color wears. Okay, this is very, very moist. I'm going to say that about it. And it has a candy flavor to it. It almost tastes like subtly like some now and laters are in here or something. It's just amazing to me that I'm picking up like watermelon now and laters. If anybody gets this box, let me know if you were picking that up on these lipsticks. But yeah, awesome. That'll be very nice to stick in my purse on the go. So let's go ahead and look at the next items. Oh, see what I say about nice name brand stuff? And here's a perfect example. This is from Clinique, and this is Moisture Surge 100H Auto Replenishing Hydrator. It's all in the title, 100 hours. Oh, so 100H is 100 hours of total hydration while you're soaking up the sun. Dry heat is no match for our soothing aloe and auto replenishing technology that basically turns your skin into an unlimited source of moisture. And this is $41 for a full size, of course. And it says applied morning and night after cleansing your skin. So I am all about that. I have such dry skin, and I love a good lotion. So this is the size. There's my finger. And when you open it, oh, look at that. That looks lovely. No scent at all. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. My hands can always use a moisture surge. That will not go to waste. Oh, it is very, oh, it's just lovely. It has a lovely texture. It's very luxurious. I don't know what the word is, but it's almost like my skin is just soaking this up. Oh my, I really, really like this. I wish I had better words to use for you guys, but I'm pretty impressed with this one. Okay, so here's the next item out, and this is from Caviar. And this is anti-aging, soothing, anti-frizz blowout butter. When there's not enough humidity to drink in the air, your hair needs a little extra TLC. Tame your frizzy locks with this moisture melting cream to oil formula that protects your hair from humidity and heat styling. Full size value of this is $34. You apply throughout the damp hair before blow drying. So I will definitely be using that. Yay. And we got some perfumes in here, and this one, like another good name, Versace, and this is the turquoise toilette. This is Island Vibes, or just what the season ordered. It has woodsy undertone with the ideal beachside fragrance that simply whisk you away. Ooh, why can't I speak today, guys? So let's see what this looks like. That's the way the bottle would look if you purchase the full size. And this is how the sample size looks. I keep these in my car all the time. Every month I get 1 or 2 perfume samples from Macy's, and I freaking love it. I get so many comments, like people come up to me and go, "What are you wearing? It smells lovely." And I'm like, I've been using these for so long, like whatever they send me I use. And I'm like, I forgot. So I gotta start remembering. Okay, let's see what this smells like. Make sure the nozzle's not pointed at my face. It's kind of strong. It's kind of tickling my nose a little bit, but I will use it. But I'm gonna say it's not probably one of my favorite scents. I think because it itched my nose. Maybe I was just too close and I shouldn't have inhaled it like that. Okay. Well, let's go ahead. We're gonna get on to the next item, and this is Coola, and this is Sun Silk Drops with SPF 30. And what this is, it says, since staying indoors on a gorgeous summer day is impossible, your face needs some extra protection. This organic formula is bolstered with hyaluronic acid and totally breathable on your skin. Full size value of this is $46. You apply a few drops to your face before going out. So it's basically just an SPF, which I have been needing. I have my personal favorite that I like using on my face. It's by Oil of Olay, but lately I've been going in the store and they're out. So this is going to get me over the hump till I get my Oil of Olay back. Looks like, see, it has a pump right here. Oh, okay. So it looks like you just pump it out like that. Interesting, interesting, interesting. No scent that I can smell, but remember, I just sprayed that perfume, so it's kind of hard to smell anything right now besides the perfume. Okay, and we have 2 items wrapped together right here. And what is this? This is Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protection Lotion, SPF 50. So this one was SPF 30, and this one is SPF 50. And you apply it to your face and body before going outside. The full size value of this would be $49. And once again, I'll hold it up to my finger. And then there's something else over here. I do not even know. Oh, this is Grande Lips. Oh, I don't think that was meant to go together. I think it just got stuck together. Duh. Just go with me, guys. All right, so this is Grande Cosmetics Mini Grande Lip Plumping. Plump the volume all the way up. A shiny gloss with volupte and hyaluronic acid plumps your skin, plumps your lips in 3 to 5 minutes. The long-term effect? Well, those are even better. $27. And it says use twice daily for up to 30 days to see best results. Okay, well, I should have put this on first. If I would have read it, I would have put it on right after my lipstick. So 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. That's the way it looks. It has a slight pink tint to it. I'm not feeling anything right now. Usually when you use these, they have that tingling action going on. I'm not feeling anything right now. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see by the end of the video if it does anything. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna do the wrap up. We have this beautiful makeup bag, and we got the Clinique. I'm gonna try to put everything in here so you can see it. We got the Clinique Moisture Surge. We have the leave-in, or after you wash your hair, anti-frizz conditioner. We have the beautiful little lipstick, the lip plumping lip gloss. We have the SPF 50 lotion. We have the SPF 35 lotion. And we have the Versace cologne. So that is the bag this month. I think it's pretty cute. What do you guys think? The only thing I can say I'm not the biggest fan of for the first time is the Versace perfume. It's just a little strong to me. So that one might not be going in my car. I don't want to be mean, but I just, maybe I'll give it to my daughter. Maybe she'll like it. Okay, so what did you guys think of the box this month? I think it's pretty awesome. Just the Clinique alone is definitely worth a $15 price tag, along with some SPF. I can always use those things. So I think I'm happy with my box. I will be getting my test tube hopefully today, guys, so keep an eye out for that, because that is definitely the bomb box, if you ask me. My favorite beauty box of them all. Test tube beauty. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up soon. Just make sure you click on the little bell, and that way you'll know when I upload it. Okay, guys, so I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.